everyone. Our today's topic is consistency concept. First of all, let's read its meaning. Consistency concept states that accounting principles and methods should remain consistent from one year to another. That means once a method is being selected or a procedure is selected by a company, it need to be followed consistently from one year to another. No need to change it. Students, let's understand this with our first example. Let's suppose a company has purchased a machinery on 1st April 2020. As we all know, depreciation is charged on fixed assets and we have different methods of depreciation like straight line method, WDV method, sum of digit method, NUT method, double declining method. And among these methods, a company has to choose any one that is best suitable for that company. Once a method has been selected, company needs to be consistent and it needs to be consistently applied year after year. What happens when a method is being consistently applied? Consistency leads to comparability so that we can compare our financial statement of 1 year with the previous years. Let's suppose this company opts for straight line method. What if it keeps on changing its method? Definitely the result will be misleading. Second example, that is valuation of inventory. Here in valuation of inventory, there are multiple methods to value a inventory. It might be FIFO, LIFO. FIFO stands for first in first out, LIFO stands for last in first out, or weighted average cost. Here again a company has to choose one method of valuation and need to be stick with that method. Now let's learn when we are allowed to change our methods. Our first case is better presentation of financial statement. That means when a company feels changes will lead to a better presentation of financial statement. Secondly, it is permitted by the law, where there is a requirement of the law that you are allowed to change. And the third case is when it is required by accounting standards. When a company makes any changes due to any of its reasons, a proper disclosure of changes is required, informing why these changes are made and what are its effect on its financial statement.